Good morning. So I don't know about you guys, but whenever I think about peanut butter and jelly, I can't help but think about sandwiches that sat in your lunch all day and they're all soggy and gross. Instead, we are flipping the script on the classic peanut butter and jelly and going to make some healthy pancakes. Let's do it. Hi guys, welcome to Healthier Day by Tay. I'm Taylor. Sorry I had to change out of my Party Monstar onesie because I don't want it to get all messy. Today we are going to make some peanut butter pancakes with a strawberry chia jam. No, we are not going to use all-purpose flour. We are going to invest in our health. It pays the best interest. So Warren Buffett says, or maybe he didn't say it, I just saw it online. So why aren't we using all-purpose flour? Why don't we just make it out of the box? When you get all-purpose flour, they strip it of its nutrients. Basically, they take out the germ and the bran, which is where the fiber, the vitamins are, and then they leave you with something that is now going to spike your blood sugar, refined carbohydrates. But I don't know if you guys have ever done gluten-free baking. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. I just started experimenting with it, but don't worry, I did all the mistakes for you so you don't have to. Starting with dry ingredients: almond flour, peanut flour, egg white protein powder, regular protein powder or vanilla, ground flaxseed, monk fruit, which is a natural sweetener, baking powder. Whisk those dry ingredients together into a blender bottle, milk of choice, vanilla, apple cider vinegar, and half a banana, and then blend that together and add it into your dry ingredients and whisk. For the strawberry chia jam, you're going to put that in a pot and let it boil and then simmer. I used frozen strawberries and then thawed it so that it had a lot of extra juice, but you could always use fresh strawberries as well. And then I just mash them up a little bit. I still want it to be chunky. Since my pancakes are looking pretty close to being ready and the jam has been simmering for a little, I'm now going to set that aside and turn off the burner. To our jam, you will then add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, which will also help to thicken it up, as well as add some sweetener to taste. This is the second batch of pancakes, which I think it ended up making around 7 pancakes total, so 4 in the first round, 3 here. And once they are finished, you are just going to stack those up on a plate and add just regular peanut butter onto it. Since they are nice and warm, the peanut butter will just melt all over the pancakes. And then you can go ahead and add that strawberry chia jam to the top of them. So as you guys can see, this wasn't your average peanut butter and jelly, nor was it out of the box. Don't worry, no sandwiches were wasted in the making of this. Aren't they so cute? By the way, guys, if you are watching this is my first YouTube video. So do me a favor, like, comment, and I hope you guys join me next time, and let's get healthier day by day. Bye, guys.